It was my birthday and Pip got me a special present and we went out in the Porsche and broke the Porsche. Here's the video. So Pip got me a toolbox to live in the garage, and first things first, I had to unbox, put together and set up my new toolbox. That's one of the bloopers.
1 hour later.
Yes. Delivery! Keys. Ooh. Is that actually like a pegboard?
Yeah.
The possibilities of organised tools. I don't know what this is.
Film it then.
No.
Okay.
Oh, you can tick which one it's got. What's it got inside? It's got the little lift up catch thing. It's all locked up. We have to get it out. Too excited to film. Too excited. Oh, do I have come out already? I'll make this look easy, mate. Oh, look how deep they are. They're long boys, they are. Look at that one. Oh, that is ridiculously long. See how? Oh, they're all messed up.
I'll send it back.
No. Ooh. I like this.
Your Allen keys. And all your pliers and a hammer and some drifts. And a big empty drawer for other things, but also the wheels. And
The
I
handle.
think that's for mounting shop towels or blue roll or kitchen roll or
Just the handle, isn't it?
could be. Nothing.
Oh, it's like a little shelfie thing. You can move them. Can you move them?
No, it's riveted.
Yeah, what's this though?
That's for releasing the drawers, all the drawer runners.
Is it?
I think that's just how the drawer runners clip in. I don't think it's for actually releasing them. I think it's just how they.
That's just the drawers.
Yeah.
It's nice though. Just nice. I like it. I like that you can put your cup of tea there.
Yeah. That's perfect for your
My
for your tea, isn't it?
yeah, good cup of tea. Yes. Wait for it. I really like you. Really? Ooh. Let's put the wheels on. Just sounds like a clean tool. So one of the pre-threaded holes on the casters is a bit dodgy, so we're going to run a tap down it, clean it up a bit. But yeah, apart from that, look at my little toolbox. Oh, no. Look down. Look down. There we go. Kind of. Yay! Oh. Yay! Or is this where you put? It's not like a.
I think you're right. It's a handle.
It's just a handle, isn't it? Ding a teddy. But I also have a homegrown, slightly sharp implement of a broken nail. I use a 12 spline all the time.
Nope.
On the Porsche.
If you ever own a Volkswagen, like modern Volkswagen, you'll probably use it.
Also owning a modern car. Got the sockets on the first two. I've got the spanners. Then it's the screwdrivers. Although I do think, yeah, that's right. And then it's the snips, and then it's the T-bars, because who uses T-bars apart from us sometimes when tuning? Yeah, those ones might be rounded a little bit. Don't say that, otherwise I'll need to pick it up again. I'm going to put a few stickers on it and like try and get these out and like label them properly. So for my birthday, we spent one day in the garage and then the next day we went out for a road trip in the Porsche 924. On the way back, the exhaust manifold came away from the engine block and it sounded a bit like this. Even when we got it a few years ago, the studs were broken. So we just plugged the gaps with exhaust paste before, but that's just being blown through, which is pretty standard. So it's time to sort it out properly in the next video. So make sure you're subscribed to watch for that. Thanks for watching, bye!